So, Tuesday morning after the bank holiday, back at it, hard at it. Well, not hard at it, like. Just waiting for Mark to come in, my mechanic. He's been on a fortnight's holiday, touring about in his little camper van. I'll just flick the camera around. I've got his cup of tea ready for when he comes in. And his cakes. Says he doesn't eat them, but he goes through 2 boxes a week. There you go, there's the TR2. And there's Mark, back off his holidays. All refreshed and happy. Just going to jack this up, take a few pictures of the underneath. Let's have a flip underneath the bonnet. There. This TR2, to me, is one of the best driving cars I've got. It drives unbelievable for one of these things. Problem is, you've got to push everything out when you want something out. Mark's going to fire this up now because it's been running erratically. Hardy would pull on the trailer at the Bangers and Cash show. It's only something daft.
Turn the battery isolator on, that would help, Mark.
Yeah, that helps. Tried. Put the choke on full. As full as it'll go, Mark. Hear it. You just have to say.
So it's running like a bag of spanners, and I think the reason is the plugs are suttered up, so Mark's going to pull the plugs out now and we'll clean them on an old-fashioned plug cleaner that we've got. Like. Whip them back in and see how it runs.
I know that much. It's got to be better than what it was when we fired it up on it. And have a go. It's bound to sound better straight away.
Well, there you go, sounds 100% better, and that's why, because all the plugs were suttered up. This is a common fault with all the cars we've got in the showroom. They don't get out enough. The plugs get suttered up, and that's what happens. Quick clean, and you're off again.
Yeah, Tuesday morning, so we've just left Mark with the workshop, messing on with that Vauxhall. Seems to be running a bit better. We'll take it out for a test drive this afternoon, let you know what happens. It's just a common thing when you're starting cars and just running them on choke, they get all gummed up. What else is happening? Tarmac gangs are busy, all the gangs are out today. Davey and Mick, we're doing a job for the water board today, putting a new water supply in a house. That's where I'm off now, so we'll go up and have a look and see how they get on there. Take the old lead pipe out and replace it with a plastic one. Common enough, simple enough job. We'll go and have a look at that. What are you doing there, Mark, apart from blowing yourself up?
Yeah, so Mark's soldering the induction tube we had made at Chilling Engineering for the George Ritchards. Making a good job of it by the looks of it. Hopefully we'll get this fitted on this afternoon. We might even get out for a test drive.
Well, there's not many people that can see it. They've got a workplace like mine. That is a fact.
This George Ritchards wasn't running right on the old carburettor, so we fitted a cheap aftermarket eBay carburettor and an induction tube, and hopefully that'll sort the problem out.
Just talking to you on the video, Mark. Any good? Oh, don't go all camera shy, Mark. He works better after he's had a chocolate marshmallow, that lad. Believe me. I don't know whether to get that crest off the back and get the Hardy crest on. And the Dick Turpin emblem, possibly. That's another story.
Yeah, so Mark's just fitted the new brass induction tube we had made at Chilling Engineering, and the cheap updraft carburettor we bought off eBay for 60 quid. and we're going to see if that's made a difference to the George Ritchards. We'll take it out for a test drive. When we go down the bottom, when you don't get in, as well, it says chunks up the hill.
Yeah. What do you think of that, Dad?
Well, everyone's different, aren't they? When you drive 3 or 4, you've got to master them, haven't you? It's not like you're driving the same car every day, day in, day out, you know. I mean, that little brush in there is totally different gear system, more like an automatic than anything else, and very easy to drive. But this car here is a very powerful car with more or less conventional controls, you know, clutch and gearbox as you would have on a normal car. Very old, so again takes a lot of mastering.
A bit like you.
A bit like me, very old, and takes a lot of mastering. There you have it.